हे गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब? होप ऑल आर वेल एंड फाइन। अभी रात के 1 बज चुके हैं और मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है। और मेरे जो हस्बैंड है वो स्टिल ही इज वर्किंग, जस्ट बिकॉज कोरोना के बाद में सबसे ज्यादा जो भी पर्सन्स बिजी है उसमें एक तो डॉक्टर, पुलिस और उसके बाद में जिनका नंबर लगता है वो आईटी सेक्टर वाले, है ना। it's my personal experience. So sometimes I can't sleep due to his work. So I thought के क्या करें, तो it's good to make a video for you. Okay. जैसे कि आपने टाइटल में देखा होगा कि मैं आज किसके बारे में रिव्यू करने जा रही हूँ, तो फिलहाल तो मैं आपको एक ब्रांड के जो है सैंडल्स दिखाने वाली हूँ, जो मैंने रिसेंटली परचेस किया है। और सेम ब्रांड का एक जो मेरा हील है वो बिफोर सम मंथ्स आई परचेस्ड। So let's see about Dressberry footwears. It's a very reputed and very popular brand, and the quality wise its products are really so good, and it's all varieties of designs and best and superb quality it provides in. Okay, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's see. Its packaging is very good. This kind of box I got, and I got it in a very good condition. Okay, so this sandal I purchased for a function. Occasionally I purchased this sandal just because of my friend's wedding was there, so I thought to wear something different. So I took this sandal. I purchased it from Flipkart, and as you can see, it's very elegant and it looks so pretty. You can wear it on even on traditional or on western also you can wear. Okay, so this pattern I just love, and you can see how beautiful, and the pearls which are used in this is very high quality, and this silver plate, it gives the very beautiful look. Okay, and I just love this sandal, and for wearing also its heel is not so high, so everybody can easily you can wear it, and it's very comfortable and soft also, and its material is also very soft and good, so I liked it. Okay, and just recently I purchased this sandal from Myntra. Actually, its packaging also, it is something, its packaging is different than that heel. It is the flat. Okay. Again my kid too. Don't touch it, huh, Baba? You always come. Hey, say hi. Hi. Hello everyone. How are you? Say hi, baby. Bye. Bago. Okay, so its box is different, and I'm going to show you. Hey, don't touch it, please, Kitu. Okay. So this kind of sandal I got, and still I have not removed this. Okay, I'm just showing you. Actually, I ordered this sandal for my sister-in-law for the Rakhi. but due to the fitting issue, I think it was not for her, so she returned it. But it is so pretty, and it's very fancy look it gives after wearing. So you can see this kind of pattern I got, and it is really very beautiful and very comfortable, especially this metallic part, which gives a very elegant look, and this golden with gray and brown, the combination is very pretty. Okay, but what which in these two colors are available. One was peach and one is gray. So I had already peach color in heel, so I just decided to take gray color. Okay, and this product, the price, let's see about the price of the flats. As you can see, its cost is 1899, 1899 rupees, if you can see properly. Okay, but in offer I got it in 699, and even I had some coupon, so I used it, and उससे भी कम प्राइस में मुझे ये सैंडल्स मैंने खरीदे हैं. So I was so happy after getting this sandal in a huge discount. Okay, so हो आपको भी पसंद आए ये ब्रांड. अगर आपको खरीदना है तो if you are really try to get some very some fancy sandals and all, so there are so many designs are available, and whatever look you are आप जो भी लुक आपको चाहिए है वो आप इजीली ऑनलाइन यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा. ओके, सो हिल की हम प्राइस की बात करें तो इसका जो कॉस्ट है अराउंड 2999 रुपीज है. पर ये जो सैंडल है मैंने कब परचेज किया था, लेट मी रिमाइंड इट, इट वाज आई थिंक एंड ऑफ द सीजन सेल. ओके, जो रहता है दिसंबर जनवरी के स्टार्टिंग में और दिसंबर के एंड में आई थिंक, तब मैंने ये सैंडल खरीदा था. एंड आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड जस्ट बिकॉज इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट सैंडल फ्रॉम ड्रेसबेरी, and even at a huge discount I was purchased. So ये जो मैंने सैंडल खरीदा है हिल, वो मैंने खरीदा था फ्लिपकार्ट से एंड ऑफ द सीजन सेल से, और उसका कॉस्ट मुझे व्हाट आई पेड फॉर दिस इज ओनली जस्ट 599. आई शॉक ना. मतलब आपको 3000 का सैंडल अगर 599 में मिले तो इट इज वेरी बिग डील, नहीं? सो आई वॉज रियली आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस सैंडल, तो आई वॉज जस्ट अमेजिंग. इट्स द so pretty design. Sorry, I'm not well, still I'm making video just because I am not feeling to sleep today. Okay, so please forgive it. So as per my review for the Dressberry is really very good. Or if you are taking the same design from the mall, you will not get a discount, but when you will get from some online sites like Myntra, Flipkart, you can get a huge discount on this. So whenever you one experience I share with you, whenever I go to mall, so I just check the designs and price and all things about this product just because I loves it. Then I check on the same product online. Then after when sales are coming, I added into the cart, and always I refer that when its price goes down, and then I buy it. So if I love some product, I wait and wait and wait for the sale. होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, और प्लीज इफ यू वांट टू बाय then you can go to my what I can say, description box. You can go and check the link. So if you like it, please share, like and subscribe. Okay, and please if you are having any Dressberry product, or any Dressberry sandal, or any Dressberry dress, or whatever, please share your experience in the comment box. I'll wait for this, and I will try to reply on this. Okay, if I am having the same product, definitely I will review for in the next video. Okay, then मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट, टेक केयर, स्वीट ड्रीम एंड एंजॉय. सी यू.